Buonasera. My name is Julian and I am the half-naked chef. Today we went to the supermarket and we started off by selecting our favorite Barilla pasta, numero 13, which means number 13, which defines the thickness of the pasta. And then we got the pomodoro, or the tomato salsa, which is also Barilla and is also a combination of basilico and tomato. Basilico e pomodoro si dice in italiano. And then we progressed onto our seafood, frutti di mare in italiano, and we decided upon salmon, gamberi, which means prawns, calamari or squid, and then we progressed onto the onto parmigiano, grano padano, which is Parmesan cheese, and we continued on to virgin olive oil from Spain. Then we kind of meandered our way through to chilies, and then made our way back to so we bought olives from Spain, black olives, and then we made our way back home, where I decided that I would prepare 3 dishes, 2 salads, and 1 pasta marinara, which means seafood pasta. And and the other 2 dishes were 2 salads, a rocket salad with Parmesan cheese and balsamic, and another dish was just a salad that my nonna used to prepare all the time, which is tomato salad with garlic, freshly chopped garlic, and balsamic, extra virgin olive oil, and spring. So where were we? So we returned home. We started cooking the pasta using the wok, and so I threw the garlic into the extra virgin olive oil. Then we progressed on to the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, and then I just threw in the frutti di mare, the seafood, which is a combination of the things I mentioned before: calamari, gamberi, e poi il pesce era salmone, the fish was salmon, and e poi abbiamo messo dentro anche un po' di, we put in some spring onions as well. So sorry, I'm thinking in Italian but speaking in English. I find it really refreshing to eat like raw garlic with tomato and vinegar and olive oil. It's very summery for me. It reminds me of summer because that's something my nonna would prepare durante l'estate, during the summer. So then what did we begin doing? We started peeling the shrimp, and I was told that the head gives it that little bit of flavor. So I decided, we'll keep the head, but we'll remove the shell from the body and leave the tail. So that's what we did. And then I chopped up the calamari. Well, actually, firstly, Che, my friend Che, had to remove the ink sac from the interior so that we don't have ink in our pasta marinara. And the ink was just a little bit in there, but nothing too. It was nice. And then I chopped it up into rings, like calamari. Then I chopped up the salmon. Then the garlic I chopped, diced finely. And then, abbiamo fatto la pasta asciutta a casa mia alle 8 di sera. Poi siamo andati a fare 4 passi, poi siamo tornati alla casa di questa ragazza che vive qua vicino, e lei to like she offered us some coffee, and then sorry, what are we talking about again? The food. So yeah, I was I don't know what I'm gonna think about what I want to say. I don't know what to say. I get shy. I'm camera shy. Well, I'm supposed to laugh. How is it to laugh?
Just laugh. I'm recording as well.
Laugh at what? Yeah, and then we threw the seafood in, and that was exciting. And then more of the tomato basilico sauce with an additional quarter cup of water, and then I threw in some spring onion, and then we progressed on to preparing the la pasta asciutta alla barilla, spaghetti numero 13, and yeah, so we just boiled